May I just throw a question? Actually, it's from left field. Either former Secretary Babe Singson or the DPWH representative. I just want to know what is there in the DPWH Quezon City office that was burning a few hours ago. Alam doon.
If I'm not mistaken, this might be part of the Region 4A office. Tama ba? Kasi kung yun yung nasa Kamuning area, I'm not sure. But I know there are one or two offices along EDSA in that area, Quezon City, 4A. So I hope it is not our zone.
I just thought that the media would like to would be interested
So he hopes that it's not our zone. Okay.
to find out. Miss the ASEC of the PWH.
ASEC Villar.
Yes, Your Honor. This is actually Region 4B, the Regional Office 4B of the DPWH.
4B.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mindoro.
Mindoro. Ito po yung dito po ang site ng testing materials ng DPWH ng mga suppliers like semento, mga bakal. Dito po tinitest. So, we are looking into it already. Pero ito po yung testing site nung
Testing site. Wala mga dokumento ron?
Of course, meron po, Your Honor.
Naku.
So, testing site, with the permission of the Senate President, testing site and the office of the regional DPWH Region 4B. Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
yung mga dokumento ng regional office of the DPWH Region 4B is housed in that office.
Well,
A number,
a number, but most of it naman po nasa database na ng central.
Okay. Yes,
Sir, GMA News has reported that the fire specifically affected the Bureau of Research Standards building. That's what they said. Bureau of Research Standards building.
testing.
Testing po, Your Honor.
Yes, Justice Andres Reyes.
Yes,
go ahead.
with due respect to that office, as per testimony of witness Bryce Hernandez, there is 1% for the testing office of the DPWH. Per voucher is 1%. Thank you.
So the 1% documentation is gone. Okay, thank you for the information.
May I
So, sa mga nagtatanong dyan kung ano ba ang Bureau of Research and Standards, no? So, ito ay isa sa mga opisina ng DPWH na ginaguro ang quality control at research center nila. So, dito, ang mga ginagawa nila, no, is nagsiset ng standard at specification. So sila yung gumagawa ng mga official na pamantayan kung paano dapat gawin ang mga proyekto, no? So anong klaseng semento, espalto, bakal at halo ng konkreto ang dapat gamitin, no? So rin yung naglalabas ng DPWH Blue Book. So yung DPWH Blue Book, according to my research, ito yung standard specification ng lahat ng klaseng dapat gawin ni DPWH, kalsada, no, bridge, o even yung sa airport, no, yung lalapagan ng airport. So, yan, no, yung ginagamit na reference ng lahat ng mga engineer at contractor. Tapos katama yung sinabi kanina, dito, ito yung research at testing centers nila, no. Tinetest nila yung lahat ng mga construction materials dito, semento, graba, buhangin, bakal, tsaka pati espalto. Tapos halimbawa, kung mayroong bagong klase ng semento at asfalto, dadaan muna ito dun sa BRS. So, yun po yung building na yan. And ito din yung nag-accredit ng lahat ng testing laboratories, no? Hindi basta pwedeng mag-test ng materials, dapat accredited po, no, ng BRS ng office ng DPWH. Tapos sila din yung nagbibigay ng certification of accreditation sa mga private o DPWH laboratories. Tapos ano din, ang isa din sa mga ginagawa nila, so sila yung nagbibigay ng mga technical advice at evaluation po, no? Kapag mayroong mga bagong technology at construction method na pinag-aaralan, no? Pati yung cost-effective ng project na yun, no? Dito rin yung BRS din, tinutulungan nila ang ibang DPWH office, no, at mga contractors ng technical evaluation ng projects o materials. Tapos, ang BRS din, ang isa sa mga ginagawa nila, nag-i-inspection at nag-monitor ng mga project sites para i-check kung sumusunod sa standards, ang material, pati yung lahat ng mga ginagamit at specification ng isang project. So, yun po yung function ng Bureau of Research and Standards. So, yan, hindi natin alam kung ano mga dokumentong nandoon, pero tingnan natin sa mga susunod na investigasyon.